Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Our Medicine. In today's video, we will explore a well-known medicine brand Omeprazole. Here is what you will learn in this video. Introduction to the medicine, how it works, who should use it, the correct doses, side effects and essential precautions and advice. What is Omeprazole? Omeprazole is a proton pump inhibitor or PPI. It reduces the amount of acid produced in the stomach, thereby helping relieve stomach pain, acidity, acid reflux, peptic ulcers and related issues. Common uses of Omeprazole: gastroesophageal reflux disease or GERD. It is mainly used for gastroesophageal reflux disease or GERD. GERD is a chronic digestive condition where stomach acid or food repeatedly flows back into the esophagus. Common symptoms of GERD: heartburn, especially after meals or while lying down, acid reflux, sore taste or acid in the mouth, sore throat or dry cough, feeling of a lump in the throat, indigestion of frequent burping, breathing difficulties or trouble sleeping, hoarseness or weak voice, nausea or occasional vomiting. Omeprazole is also used to treat erosive esophagitis. Common symptoms of erosive esophagitis: burning sensation in the chest, especially after eating or while lying down, acid reflux, sour or bitter taste, acid rising into the throat, throat pain or scratchiness, difficulties swallowing, pain or tightness under the throat, pain while eating or after meals, hoarseness or weak voice, nausea or vomiting, sometimes with blood, sleep disturbances at night. Omeprazole is also used for Zollinger-Ellison syndrome or JDS. Another condition Omeprazole treats is Zollinger-Ellison syndrome, a rare but serious disorder. Common symptoms of Zollinger-Ellison syndrome: burning or pain in the upper or middle abdomen, diarrhea caused by improper digestion due to excess acid, indigestion or digestive discomfort, sore burps or acid reflux, weight loss of the body, vomiting or vomiting blood, black or tarry stools. Other uses of Omeprazole: treatment of stomach ulcer, used in combination with antibiotics or to treat Helicobacter pylori infection, to prevent ulcers in patients taking long-term NSAIDs or painkillers. Doses and administration of Omeprazole: usually Omeprazole taken as 20 mg once daily on an empty stomach. Sometimes as prescribed by a doctor, 40 mg may be needed. Avoid eating for at least 30 minutes after taking the medicine. Side effects of Omeprazole: very little, headache or dizziness, nausea or vomiting, diarrhea or constipation, bloating. Long-term use may cause vitamin B12 deficiency. Precautions and advice of Omeprazole: not recommended during pregnancy or breastfeeding without doctor's advice. Long-term use should be monitored by a physician. By cautions: if you have kidney or liver disease, never change the dose on your own. Important note of Omeprazole or all medicine: this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a doctor before starting any medication. Self-medication can be dangerous. Finally, if you found the video helpful, give it a like, share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to Family Pharma BD for more health related content. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.